chapter 8, permutations and combinations. We are going to do exercise 8.1. Question number 1. Find the values of, first is factorial 6. What's this factorial 6? How will I write factorial 6? Factorial n. What is the value of factorial n? What is the formula? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into and so on till 1. This is a formula of factorial n. The same I can write for 6. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Answer will be what? 6 5 is 30, 34 is 120, 120 into 3, 123 is 360, 360 into 2 is 720. Answer is 720. Part 7. You can see factorial 4 plus factorial 3. I can write 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Factorial 4 is what? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus factorial 3. I can write 3 into 2 into 1. 4 3s are 12. 12 is 24 plus into 1 24 plus 6. How much is that? 30. Answer is 30. Part 3rd. Factorial 9 minus 6. I can write factorial 3. That is what? 3 into 2 into 1. Answer is what? 6. 3 part I have covered. First, second and third. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 you can see. Factorial 6 minus factorial 4. That is what? Factorial 6 I can write 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Minus this I can write 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. It will be what? 6 5s are 30. 30 into 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. Minus 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. So I can take 24 common also and 30 minus 1. So it will be what? 24 into 29. So answer will be what? 696. You can check. Answer will be what? 696. 29 into 24. 4 9s are 36. 4 2s are 8. 9 10 11. 2 9s are 18. 2 2s are 4 1 5 6 9 6 696. Part 4 is covered. Now part 5th. Factorial 3 into factorial 5. Factorial 3 into factorial 5. You can see first part factorial 3 into factorial 5. I can write factorial 3 what? 3 into 2 into 1 into this one I can write into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1 6 into 5 for the 20 into 3 to the 6 into 1 6 6 20 the 120 into 6. How much is their answer? 70. Part 5th is answer is 720. Now part 6th. Part 6 you can see. Part 6th one. You see it is factorial 88 upon factorial 86. So factorial 88 I can write 88 into 87 into, I can't write till 1, it's very big number. That's why I am writing 88 into 87 and down one is what? 86. So I can write factorial 86. So I am not writing 86 into 84 till ends on 1 upon factorial of 86. So factorial 86, factorial 86 cancelled. So answer is what? 88 into 87. So answer will, when you will solve, it will come 7656. Answer is what? 7656. Now part 7th. Part 7th you can see. Part 7th is factorial 12 upon factorial 10 into factorial 2. So factorial 12. I can write 12 into 11 into 10 factorial 10. Because down you can see factorial 10 is there. So I no need to write till 1. 12 into 11 into factorial 10 upon factorial 10 into factorial 2. I can write 2 into 1. Factorial 10 cancel. 2 6 are 12. Answer is what? 66. 7th answer is 66. Now part 8 and part 9th. Part 8. You can see part 8. Part 8. Factorial 9 minus factorial 8 upon factorial 7. Factorial 9 I can write 9 into 8 into factorial 7. 9 into 8 into factorial 7 minus this I can write 8 into factorial 7. Why I am writing 9 into 8 into factorial 7, here 8 into factorial 7 because factorial 7 is common. Down also factorial 7 is there, so I can take factorial 7 common from up part. So upon factorial 7, so it will be what? Factorial 7 common. So what? 9 into 8, that is 72 minus 8. Already factorial 7 common, factorial 7 common. So 9 into 8, 72 minus 8 upon factorial 7. Factorial 7 cancel. 72 minus 8 is how much? You can say how much it will come. 72 minus 8, that is 64. Answer is what? 64. Part 8 is over. Now part 9th. We can do part 9th. Part 9, you can see it's written factorial n plus 2 upon factorial n plus 1. So, what will I write? N plus 2, I can write n plus 2. Minus 1, so n plus 2 minus 1, it is n plus 1. N plus 1 minus 1, that is what? N factorial n, I can write. N plus 1, factorial n plus 1, I can write what? N plus 1 minus 1, it is what? Factorial n. So, factorial n, cancel. N plus 1, cancel. Answer is what? N plus 2. Answer is n plus 2. So, part 9th is answer n plus 2. Thank you.